Hello and welcome to this video. This week I'm going to share with you the opportunities that we got trading Bitcoin. I will show you the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 and the 5-minute chart. RBI-GBI, this is what we are looking for. So let's get it. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin chart and this is for this week. I marked the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And we will start on the 1 hour chart and let's get it. So what we can see Monday, we don't have any setups, at least from this indicator, to go in a trade. Let's go to Tuesday. We have here the control bar CB pointing. We have a seller present pushing down the price, but I would not trade this time because I'm in Europe, so I will start 8 in the morning, 7:30, 8 a.m. Paris time. But we have here one opportunity on the 1 hour chart. 8 in the morning, a big seller coming in. We got our GBI green bar ignored. We enter our trade just below the body from the green candle. We position our stop loss like $850, 900. We target 1-to-1 and we have a successful trade. Let's move on. Let's go to Wednesday. We have no setups on the 1 hour. Let's go to Thursday. We have one setup, but this is Asia. I'm not trading Asia, but you can see this trade, very nice setup, a big control bar, big buyer stepping in. We have our RBI, red bar ignored. We enter just above the body of the red candle and we have a winner. But I'm not trading that. Let's go to Friday. We have nothing. So let's go now to the 30-minute chart. What can we see? Tuesday, we have one setup, but this is Asian time. I wouldn't trade that because I'm not. Tuesday we have nothing. Let's go to Wednesday. This trade, by the way, is anyways from the 1 hour. Let's mark this. What do we have Wednesday? This Asia. That would be successful trade, but I'm not trading that. Let's go to Thursday. Thursday, a lot of action, a lot of selling going on. We can see our CB control bar that represent a big seller or big buyers. So what do we see? We see this is the New York opening, 2:30 my time, so it's 8:30 in New York. We had a big control bar. We enter below the green body. Our stop loss is just going above a little bit, so it's 350 stop loss. We target 1-to-1, and this is another winner on the 30-minute chart. Let's mark this as a winner. Here we go. Let's continue. And if we take every signal, so this one I would be more careful to take because we are, you see that? This is where the move started. And I would be very careful to take this trade. I will not take this trade. And this is the reason. This is a big buyer started the move here and we are right here, so this would be a no trade for me. Then we got another signal and this is a valid trade. Why? Because we broke the previous low, which is a buyer. He was a buyer before, a strong buyer. Look at the move. We broke the low with this candle. We got a perfect setup, GBI. We entered the trade here. We target 270, 1-to-1. You can even hold this longer. I'm just giving you one example. 1-to-1, how to take fast your profit. So we would have here another winner. That's on the 30-minute. Let's go to Friday. What can we see here? This is Asia. I would not trade that, but it would be a hit. And then we go to last London and before New York opening. Look at this trade. That was big buyer here stepping in. We got a confirmation, a control bar breaking the highs, previous highs, very powerful. And this candle, we see still sellers stepping in. You can see the volume here. Sellers trying to bring the price down, but the buyer is present. So you can enter if the next candle is going up like this, 260 stop loss. You target 1-to-1, you have another winner. And this is only watching the 1 and 30 minutes so far. And I think we already have like 3-4 positive trades just by trading the 1 hour and the 30 minute. Nothing else for this week. And let me just go back and check how many trades we got. We have 1 trade on the 1 hour, and on the 30 minutes we got 1, 2, 3 trades. So actually 4 trades this week on the 1 hour and 30 minutes. You should be already good only trading the 30 minutes and the 1 hour chart. Let's go now to the 15. This is Monday. All right, so this is Asia. I will not trade that. This is London. London opening 9 a.m. in the morning, my time, because I'm in Paris. This is 3 a.m. in New York. We can see a big buyer stepping back in. We see selling pressure, selling, and then the buyer took control over. And then the next candle here, the RBI red bar ignored, small. And if the next candle is going above the red body from the RBI, we are in the trade. Our stop loss 122, we target 122, we are finished. Positive trade. Let's mark this out on the 15 minute. That's a winner. Let's continue. What do we have here? We have 3:45 p.m. European time, so this is 9:45 New York. Very nice setup opening New York. Control bar, big seller in. We enter the trade just below the body, green body of course, because we have a GBI here, 400 stop loss. We target 400, and that would be our winner here. This would take a long 50 minutes to be profitable. All right, so then we continue. What do we see? At 6:45, we get another push in. You can enter this trade. Below the body of the GBI, just above 140, 150 stop loss. We target 1-to-1. We hit it. TP hit. And now probably people will say, yeah, but this is a loser. It's not. Let me show you. We enter the trade here. And this red candle opened here on the top. It went up, didn't hit our stop loss because our entry is below the green body GBI. And then it went down. So it didn't hit our stop loss. So this is a winner. Let's continue. This is the 15 minute. This is, we don't trade that because it's Asia. You can see a winner, 2 more winners. Asia, if you trade the Asian markets, this is how you do it. This is still Asia. And 7:15, it's before London. I would not trade that, but look at that, perfect opportunity. Then let's continue. This is our trade. I don't know, remember 30 minutes maybe or 1 hour. But I will not take this trade. I will take this trade because it's on the 15 and it's before New York opening. So let's take this trade. This is the 15. We take this trade below the green body. Stop loss is like 180, 200. Let's target 180. Here we go. And this is a winner. Here we go on the 15 minute. Let me just mark this out. We don't have any losers. All right, I don't like that because in the comments, yeah, you're just picking up winners. I'm not. I'm just showing you what I see, what the indicator is telling me, where the money is coming in. You can see the volumes. What is this? This is 2045. So this is 245 New York, so we're still trading that. We enter the trade above the RBI, stop loss below 380, we target 380, we hit our winner. Another profitable trade. Let's mark this out. Winner. Let's continue to the next day. Asia, we don't trade that. Winner, winner, we don't trade it. And then sorry, that was London already trading. Sorry, you can see that opening at 9. I already trade from 8. This is a setup. I take it. Stop loss just above 244, for example. 244. We hit our target. Another winner. All right, let's continue. What do we have here? We have New York pre-opening. We have a big seller stepping in already from the top here. But the indicator gave us a signal that we can enter here. And I will enter all the trades because this is what we do. So I expect to see losers. Until now, nothing, which is not good, I believe. 266. Target 266. Another winner. But on the 5 minute, I'm sure we will have more losers. So this is another winner. We are Wednesday. Let's continue. Finish, nothing anymore. Then we have Asia. We don't trade that, but look, you can see the winner. Let's continue. That was, I don't know on which chart, maybe probably 30 minutes. But then we see here more signals. You see that? This is now the 15 minute. That here probably was the 30 minute, but we will take this trade again because this is what we do. A big control bar. If the next candle is going below the green body, GBI, we enter the trade. What is the stop loss? 250 is the target. Here we go. Another winner. Guys, I don't know what to say, but we don't have any losers. I hope we will see some losers on the 5 minute. Let's continue. This is, we don't trade that anymore. This is Asia. Friday, Asia, we don't trade it. Look at the setup, perfect. This is London opening, and finally a loser. I'm happy to finally see a loser, to be honest. Big buyer stepping in. So this setup was more to wait. So the RBI didn't play out here. We will enter above. So this candle would trigger the trade, and then we will hit our stop loss with this candle. So this is a loser. Finally, for the people saying, yeah, you're just choosing the good trades. I'm not. I'm just showing what I see. And then we continue. We have another. That was a setup, I think, on the 30 minute. Let's continue. This is the 15. And we have another setup. I will take it because we are watching all the time frames. Control bar, RBI, red bar ignored, position below, 600, stop loss. We target 600, TP, we hit it. So another winner. And then I think this is it. All right, let's finish. That was the 15 minute. Let me count so far the trades. We had, let's go back to Monday. So, one winner. This is another winner. I forgot to put the sign here. 2, 3. What do we have here? We have another one here. I forgot to put 3, 4. Oh, we have it here. Okay, 4, 5, 6 winners, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 winners and 1 loser. So 13 wins and 1 loss. This is just by trading the 1 hour, 30 and 15 minute. Yes, these are the results I'm showing you. I know we are backtesting. This video is for entertainment purposes only. This is what I see, this is what the indicator is telling me, and this is how I trade. If you trade, you can lose all of your money, and you probably will because you don't have experience. And let's go now to our famous 5-minute chart, where we can see a lot of more action. So this is Asia. We don't trade that. Asia, and still not trading, and this is what we would trade. This is another setup we could take on the 5-minute. So let's enter here above, because this is what we see. Just below would be a fast hit that's profitable. So another winner. This is on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute you will have more losers and more winners. Let's continue. This trade was here. This is another trade on the 5-minute. You could already enter. You would take the profit here from a different time frame. And this is another entry on the 5-minute. You enter this trade. Stop loss is going below. This would be another winner on the 5-minute chart. So let's continue. What do we have here? 11. We can trade it. We position our trade below the body from the GBI. Target 1-to-1. It's a winner. Another win. Let's continue. This is 1. If you trade that, it would be a winner as well. Let's just enter, because this is what the indicator is showing us. We have a big pressure, big buyers stepping in. We target 1-to-1. And this is, I believe, another win. You will have more trades on the 5-minute, and more winners and more losers. In this case, we have just winners, which is good, but I know some people will say, I'm just choosing and picking up good trades. Look, this is what I see on the chart. We are backtesting. This is for training purposes only. So what we have here, this is already a trade. I will not trade this extra. This is another setup that you can take. Big buyer pressure coming in. We have a RBI. You enter just above. Stop loss 230. Target 230. You have another winner. I know it looks too good to be true, but this is what I see on the chart. Another control bar, heavy. We enter below the green body from the GBI, 95. We target 95. Another winner. I hope I will see some losses here, because it's too good to be true almost. This I will not take because we are already in the trade. Or let's take it. I don't like it anyways, but let's take it. We enter above. Stop loss is going below. 124. 124. All right, that's a loser. That's a loss. So that's a loss. We will mark here X. So it's a loss. Let's continue. We have another control bar. You can see we have a lot more trades on the 5-minute. Too many. But the most profitable, it's the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and the 15 minutes. If you only trade that, you can make a living with trading. Of course, this is not financial advice, and you can lose all of your money if you do so. This is Monday, and you can see how many trade opportunity we got on the 5-minute. But what is important to understand when you trade the 5-minute is the market structure. Can I take this trade? This is a low. It was broken. So this control bar broke this trade. Closed, push. This is valid to take. If you understand market structure, then you will pick up on the 5-minute better RBI-GBIs. And this trade I will take just below. Stop loss is going to 58. TP target 58. Another winner. But I will stop counting now, because you can see these are all winners. Winners, winners, winners. This I could take because it's telling me buyers are stepping in. You can see even on the volume, you can take, it would be a winner. Let's continue. I will stop counting. Let's go to Tuesday. Let's go to Europe. If not, this video will be too long. This is just the 5 minute. You can see another trade, but we would be already in this trade, so I will not count it. Here would be a loser. I will put here an X. Here we go. I will go fast through this. This is, we can trade that. This would be a loser, a loss. And that actually would be valid to take. Why? Because we broke the low. So I would take this trade. I would, and I will target here the low, but it didn't do it. So that would be a loss. Let's continue. This is Asia. I would not even watch that. Here, this is London. I would take that. Would be a win. I will not even mark anymore. Win. This would be another win. RBI. Look at those opportunities that we have here. Look at how many opportunity we got Wednesday. Trade, another trade, another trade, all winners, but I will not count them. You can see for yourself. Look at how many opportunities. CB, control bar, control bar. Control bar means big volume, big buyer or big seller. It's present. All right, so let's continue. Another control bar, a little GBI telling us they are just stepping, having a break, and then pushing the price down. Here, another opportunity. That would be a stop loss, I believe, but we can see the direction where this is going. And then we have 7. Look at this opportunity. Winner. Okay, here's a loss. Winner. Let's continue. This trade, this is a winner. But I will not count it now. I just wanted to show you on the 5 minute, look at the opportunities. Here, that's a winner. Why? Look, let me show you again. You enter below the green body. You position your stop loss just above the wick. Let's say 340 stop loss. Here we go. You target 340. This is a winner. If you just stick to RBI-GBIs and you understand a little bit of market structure, you would take this trade and it's a winner. I will not count this trade as a winner. Let's continue. This is Thursday. It's almost too many to count on the 5 minute, but this is how it is. Winner. This would be a loss, I see, but winner, winner. And then we go to Friday. For sure, we have more winners than losers on the 5 minute. And it's too long to show you all. That I will not trade that. We have nothing, no signal. This is then still London winner. That would be break even or loss. Very difficult to trade. Then we have a control bar at before New York opening. I will stay away from before New York opening. And this is what it is. Let me count now the trades. We didn't count or did a lot of 5 minute trades, you can see, but for sure we had more winners on the 5 minute after than losers, just to be clear. So we have 1 win, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners so far. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 trades, 18, 19. So we have 19 winners altogether now, 19 wins. And we have some losses. Let me see how many we have. We have 1 loss, 2, 3, 4 losses. 4 loss trades. So that represent basically 15 wins, but we didn't count the Thursday and Friday and Wednesday, I believe. So I will ignore this and I will just count the 1 hour, 30 and 15 minute chart. We got 13 wins and 1 loss. Already this is huge. This is huge. When you are able to have 12 wins per week, let me just calculate now. So if you invest $500 per trade, we can see we did 12 are, so 12 profitable trades this week. So if you risk $500 per trade, you would make $6,000 this week. If you risk $100 per trade, you would make $1,200. And that's a nice, I would say, salary in most of the countries in Europe. This is per week, it's not per month. So just think about it. That's very, very good. So we have now 12 wins on the 1 hour, 30 and 50-minute chart. The 5-minute I didn't include in this week statistics, because you can see we have a lot of trades, more losers and winners as well. But if you really want to be on the safe side, trade the 1 hour, 30 and 15 minute. In 5 minutes you can just check, and if you really see a good setup like a structure break, then you can take this trade. I hope this helps. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. You can comment what you want to see next week. You want maybe a different indice, different stock, or whatever you trade, and I will try to make the video. Hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.
You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.